Before you decide to buy CoreCommerce for your dropshipping business, here are 12 essential things you need to know. Stick around until the end, because while CoreCommerce offers some great features, there are a few things you'll want to consider before making your final decision. First, let's talk about ease of use. Unlike Shopify, which has a more intuitive interface, CoreCommerce has a steeper learning curve. It might take some time to get used to navigating the dashboard, especially if you're new to e-commerce. Next thing to consider, pricing. CoreCommerce is generally on the pricier side compared to competitors like WooCommerce or BigCommerce. Its pricing plans start at $39.99 per month, but you may find better value elsewhere for the same features. So if you're just starting out, there are cheaper options available. The third thing is CoreCommerce feature set. While it's equipped with the basics, it lacks some advanced customization options that platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce offer. You might find yourself wanting more flexibility down the line. The fourth thing is customer support. CoreCommerce offers 24/7 support, which is great. However, users have reported that the response time can be slower compared to competitors like Shopify, where support is often quicker and more efficient. Next, let's talk about scalability. CoreCommerce is built for growth, but it doesn't offer the same scalability as Shopify or BigCommerce. As your business grows and you need more complex features, you might find CoreCommerce limiting in comparison. The sixth thing is the lack of built-in integrations. Unlike platforms like WooCommerce or Shopify, which support hundreds of apps and integrations, CoreCommerce has fewer third-party app integrations, which could limit your business operations if you require specific tools. The seventh thing is CoreCommerce mobile responsiveness. It's generally good, but not as seamless as Shopify. If mobile sales are a priority for your business, keep in mind that competitors offer more polished mobile-friendly themes. The eighth thing to consider is the payment processing options. CoreCommerce supports several payment gateways, but it doesn't offer as many choices as Shopify or BigCommerce, which can be limiting depending on your target market. Next, let's talk about SEO. CoreCommerce has solid SEO features, but it doesn't provide the same level of customization or optimization as platforms like WooCommerce or Shopify, which may give you an edge in search rankings. The 10th thing is its hosting. CoreCommerce includes hosting with all plans, which is a plus. However, the hosting performance is not as robust as other platforms like Shopify, which boasts faster page load speeds and more reliable uptime. The 11th thing is the ease of dropshipping integration. CoreCommerce does support dropshipping, but it doesn't have the same built-in dropshipping tools as platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, which provide easier integration with suppliers and automation. Finally, while CoreCommerce is a solid option for small businesses, its limitations in customization and third-party integrations could make it less appealing for larger operations. You might find a better fit in a platform like BigCommerce or Shopify, which offer more flexibility and features. So, is CoreCommerce a good choice? It has its advantages, especially for smaller businesses looking for simplicity and basic dropshipping tools. However, if you're looking for a more flexible, feature-packed platform that scales well, I recommend checking out our top pick, which you can try for free.